Welcome back, Cloud Chasers. Today we're perfecting those puffs. Here's how to get the thickest, juiciest clouds with your OOKA. Make sure everything's connected and the water level is right under the max fill line. Remember, below the mark for easier draws. Ensure your pot's NFC chip is facing 9 o'clock and do not remove the NFC ring from the pots. We've established in the last episode that chilled water is your friend. After OOKA is ready, I'll give you an expert tip. If you wait an extra 7 to 8 minutes, you get bigger clouds. Now this lets OOKA warm up the pot further to reach optimum temperature. Unlike traditional shisha, which heats up when you puff, OOKA works in the opposite way. Take a 10-second gap between puffs to let OOKA build up heat and create more clouds. By waiting between puffs, you'll get to enjoy fuller and more flavorful clouds. Twist the airflow adjuster to find your perfect draw. I personally like to twist it to 0 for the best clouds and a tighter draw. If you like a looser draw and lighter clouds, position 3 is your best bet. Now let me introduce OOKA's revolutionary pause mode. For the first time, you can now take a break from your sessions while still getting the most of your pots. This avoids overheating the pod, but also allows you to prolong your sessions. There's nothing we hate more than harsh flavors, so let's avoid that. Let me tell you how. When you need to step away from your session, you can double tap the power button to pause your session, though we feel how annoyed you must be to be interrupted. When the light from the portal ring turns purple, that means the session is on pause and can remain on pause for up to 10 minutes. Once you come back and want to restart your session, double tap the power button and it will turn the portal light from purple to amber, and you can get back to forming epic clouds. Let me give you a personal tip. I recommend you pause your session no more than 2 times per pot. Not because you can pause more than 2 times, but because I found it maintains the top-notch flavors. If you're loyal to your pot flavors, you need to know that the flavor gets more intense when you repeat them on the same device and hose. But if you're experimental like me, you can just clean your OOKA hose and mouthpiece before you try a new flavor and see what floats your boat. Check out our other video on cleaning to learn more. Now stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to elevate your shisha game. Until next time, keep chasing the clouds.